Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Vigor game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your end browser and just search for the Steam. And Steam website will appear on the top, so just open up the Steam website. And guys, here you will see the login option on the right hand top, so just click on this login option. And guys, here just sign into your account, and if you don't have an account then just create an account. After that you will see the install Steam option on the top, so just click on the install Steam. And guys, here just download the Steam and install it into your PC. And guys, this is very simple and easy process. Then just open up the Steam and then just click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is the Vigor. And this game will appear on the top, and just click on this game. And now this game is completely free. You can simply download it and install it in your PC. Just click on the add to library option you are seeing here. And now this game was added to your Steam library. Just click on the library option you are seeing on the top. And guys, here on the left hand side you'll find this game, which is the Vigor. Just click on this Vigor game and just click on the install, and this is how you can download and install this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye.